Here at Car Care Kiosk, we recently worked on a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 diesel, and we wanted to highlight a couple of the repairs from that vehicle right here for you. First, let's take a look at removing the taillight housing on this vehicle. Remove two T15 Torx bolts from the side of the housing. Turn them counterclockwise to remove them. Pry the bulb housing forward and away from the vehicle. Reach behind the housing. Turn the bulb assemblies counterclockwise and pull them out. Then, disconnect the connector. Pry back the red tab, then press in the black tab and pull the connector straight out. You can remove the housing. Next, let's find the oil drain plug and oil filter for you. Here's the drain plug. It's a 15mm socket on this plug. Reach up here for the oil filter. Here we are taking out the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together. Reach over and disengage this side dampening arm. Reach up here for the cover. Pinch the tab on the side of the cover, then slide the cover over. There's your cabin air filter. You can pull it out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share from our channel here for more car repair videos. If you want more videos just like this and more in-depth videos just like this, please visit carcarekiosk.com.